When you graduate from the construction management program at Northern, you're not going to end up out in the field swinging a hammer, getting muddy. You're going to end up being basically the small CEO of a little company. Your employer is going to hand you $20 million and you're going to go out and run a project, and you're in charge of spending that money and making sure that the project is within budget and on time. And if you have the love of construction, this program can bring you somewhere. My name is Ken Kasten. I graduated from NMU construction program in 2007. My building trades teacher said, hey, you got to get up there, check out this program. These guys are getting great job offers and they're actually having a professional career. So I went up there and toured and really liked what I saw, and I chose to go up there. I know that probably 99% of the people that come out of the program get a job, and it's well paid. When I started my career with Bolt, fresh out of college, I started off in estimating, and then I went from estimating out into the field as a field engineer, and then now I'm running bigger projects and actually getting more into a project development role. I believe the courses that I took and that are currently in the curriculum are great courses, and I use most of them every day. Scheduling, estimating, soils, survey, these are all things that in the construction world, you actually go out to the field and use. The faculty and staff in the construction program brings us on site visits, and you get a chance to ask questions and job shadow people and really try to understand how a building goes together. I'm thankful for that opportunity because I really do use a lot of information that I was taught at Northern.
My name's Gabby Garza. I'm from Williamston, Michigan. I chose construction management because originally I wanted to flip houses and I thought this would probably be the best major for that. But as I joined and took classes, I decided that probably wasn't the direction I wanted to go. So far I've had 2 internships and I really got to see the commercial side of construction and where I fit in and what I liked and what I didn't like. For my second internship, I was on site every day. I was walking through with the superintendent and the project manager. I was sitting in on the weekly meetings and taking notes and working directly with subcontractors. So I got much more experience and got to see how everything worked. The reason I really love the program here at NMU is because it's very hands-on. Some of the things I really loved about my classes are the small size, the teachers, how much they actually care about how I'm doing in class and what I'm involved in. When I started in construction management, I was one of 2 girls, and as the years have gone, now there's 9 more girls as a freshman class. Although I'm really sad to leave Northern after everything I've gotten to do here, I'm really excited to see where I'll end up.
I'm Michael LaFleur. I transferred up here to Northern for construction management. I wanted to have more of a focus on construction. The classes, a lot of stuff is hands-on. With design classes, you're doing computer work, you're doing real-life scenarios, working with different models. It's a class of around 100 people, so you really get to know all the students, the classmates, and even the faculty. The relationships you build with them are long-lasting. I got a job here at Northern working for engineering and planning facilities, and gaining some experience there and some knowledge. That's how I landed an internship with Pepper Construction based out of Chicago. I spent this past summer working on the new plaza building for Wrigley Field, creating an architectural model and then using that to put in mechanical systems, electrical, plumbing, HVAC systems, and then you can run different kind of clash detections to understand where there's mistakes made, and then ultimately that saves time and money. I feel very confident as I enter into my professional career. Northern definitely has equipped me with the tools and the skills I need. Before I even graduated, I had 5 job interviews and 4 job offers. So I'll be using all this computer software and I'll be doing integrated construction. And I'm very thankful that I've spent my past 4 years here at Northern.